so bright.
Oh no!
Sleep well. But I just want to try my luck. That's an awesome idea, Rumi. Let's go.
Okay.
Whoa.
In here.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Ew.
You're more or less clear now. That's better. Perfect! Well, I see your face is so dirty. Ouch, my face!
Nothing here. Don't worry, I will help you.
Wow.
Wow! Good! Okay.
I'll use the pimple-sucking gadget.
Time to clear the pimples. Good!
All right.
Aha!
All right. Look, pimples are all gone. Oh, look, Rumi has a scratch on her face.
I know what can help you.
Huh?
Wow.
Look at those eye bags. They are begging for help. That's better.
Tasty. Tasty.
Amazing results.
Yeah!
And ta-da!
Whoa!
Perfect. We just have to wait.
2,
It's
3.
time for us to remove the under-eye masks, too.
Wow.
Okay. Woohoo!
And don't forget the lips. Done.
I like it. Yeah!
Lip mask will make it soft and smooth.
Yeah!
We should do something about those stubborn blackheads, too. Nose strips will do the trick.
Wow, thank you.
Ta-da! Is getting prettier and prettier. We gotta wash it off with a facial wash. Keeping clean. Ta-da!
let me help become more beautiful?
Oh.
Okay lah.
Ice globe massage time.
Okay.
Let's check the results. Done.
Whoa.
Good.
Next up, it's makeup time.
Whoa.
Contact lenses. Wow. And some pretty makeup, of course. That's awesome. I think that's it. Let the makeover begin. Who to start with? Face powder. Cool. It even comes with a cute powder puff. Perfect. Now it's Rumi's turn. Ooh, it smells so good. And it makes you look awesome too.
Okay.
An eyeshadow palette. Wow, the shade suits you very well. I love it! Now on the other eye. Let's put some purple contact lenses on her.
Wow.
Fabulous!
Woo! I'm going to the princess party.
Wow, a mascara tube! Yippee! It's gonna make your lashes look super pretty.
Oh.
Now on the other eye. That's awesome! Look, it's a volumizing mascara for Rumi's lashes. Blooming than ever. I love how you look. Oh, wow, an eyebrow pencil. That's just the perfect shade for you.
Oh, yes! Okay!
Nice. Lipstick. Yes, we got a... Yay, it's a nice shade of pink lipstick. Wow, shiny and pink.
Good!
Wow. Well done.
What an amazing transformation, Rumi. Oh, wow, it's a blush on. Oh, so pretty.
Good!
Wow.
Well done.
Your clothes are so dirty. We have clothes waiting for you. Ta-da! Wow. Oh, so pretty.
Good!
Well done.
Jewelries. Of course, the pearl necklace. And Rumi's hair. The hair is so pretty.
Wow!
Over. Yippee! Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
Well done.